Hey there, business owners! Ever wondered why more and more businesses are turning to portable generator services instead of the big-name dealers? Well, let me take you behind the scenes and reveal the secret sauce behind their success. Meet Brian, the owner of Portable Generator Services. With nearly a decade of experience, Brian's journey into the world of generators is nothing short of easy. His obsession with these powerful machines led him to dive headfirst into the industry. And boy did he make a splash. Brian didn't just learn about generators, he lived and breathed them. He joined every generator group he could find, soaking up knowledge and asking questions. Soon enough, he started his own groups and now runs the largest generator manual database on Facebook with over 4,000 members. And that's just the beginning. What truly sets Portable Generator Services apart is Brian's incredible network of generator brothers and sisters nationwide. He completed a rigorous 4-year electrical apprenticeship program and worked with multiple major industrial dealers, including Detroit Diesel, John Deere, Perkins, Generac, and Kohler. During this time, he gathered an immense wealth of knowledge and forged invaluable connections within the generator community. You see, the generator community is like a close-knit family. Many technicians talk multiple times throughout the day. There aren't many of us out there, but those who are stick together. We help each other out with parts, advice, and troubleshooting whenever needed. And that's the magic touch that separates Portable Generator Services from the rest. We use our social media connections to really make things happen. Brian's company has the most extensive network of connections in the industry. We can source what most common businesses can't. Instead, they just tell you to buy a new $100,000 generator for your business. Imagine having thousands of knowledgeable generator techs on your side, ready to assist with hard-to-find parts or tricky troubleshooting issues. Portable Generator Services would like to give a shout-out to our generator community. Without you guys, Portable Generator Services would not be here. That's the power of Portable Generator Services. So, why do businesses choose Portable Generator Services over major dealers? It's simple. They get unparalleled expertise, a vast network of support, and a genuine passion for generators that you won't find anywhere else. In a world where reliability and efficiency are paramount, Portable Generator Services stands tall. Thanks to Portable Generator Services' dedication and the power of community, they deliver exceptional service that you can trust. So next time you need generator support, remember it's not just about the machine, it's about the people behind it. And with Portable Generator Services, you're in the best hands possible. Give us a call at 954-649-7412. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of generators and beyond.